I'm sick and I look like this. I've taken the day off work because I'm sick and I feel nasty. But I'm just taking him for a walk and then going into town to the chemist. I've made a tea, it's over there. I don't have any milk for coffee, but a tea will do. Oh my god. Struggling, basically. And what am I gonna do without... Like, when I'm sick, I just want to, like, watch stuff. Like, it's just gonna go so slow. So, I'm just gonna really try and, like, get rid of it. Flush it out. But, God, I feel terrible. I don't know. And it sucks because, like, my work it's a traineeship. It's a paid traineeship. So, I'm like stressed about missing out on things. So yeah. Also, the internet, Telstra said it'll be another 4 weeks. Telstra said it'll be another 4 weeks. So that's... Yeah, because it's like a back order or something. I don't know. They waived the charge of my next phone bill. Great, thanks. I guess that's something. So yeah, just really starting off on a positive vibe for this. Hooray. Hopefully this tea can do something for me. Yeah, alright. Also, it's taking so long to upload the last video. It's still uploading right now because I have no reception. So I'm going to try and go into town and try and upload it. But it's okay because I don't have to pay for my phone bill. So I guess that works out. Yeah. But I'm filming it on the camera again because I like the quality. It's really nice. And I've got my little mic that I can use for when it's windy. Hopefully not right now. But yeah, okay, I probably sound really annoying to listen to right now. So bye. Or yeah, you know. I just finished up in town. I got a coffee at this really cute, actually, little cafe. And then I went to the pharmacy and got some drugs, which are currently inside me. And by drugs, I just mean cold and flu tablet. And then I went to the post office and I picked up an attachment for my mic that I need to be able to use it for my phone. Which is cool. Gonna test that out when I get home. Gonna test it out with this camera too. Just that little mic. I'm already feeling better with a bit of caffeine and a bit of drug. And then I went to the shops, to the grocery store, and did bit of a shop to get me through so I don't have to keep coming into town for a little while because I'm just like, oh, let me just bunker down at home. Hopefully. I I don't know why, like, I just want to sweat it out, but then it's like, oh, I've got to exercise, and it's so hard to do when you're sick. But then I'm like, is that bad? Making your body work when it should be working on fixing your immune stuff. And I don't have access to a sauna or anything unless I just like sit out and sweat in the sun. I could do that. I'm definitely down for that. So, okay, on my way here, what did I listen to? Heated Rivalry. Okay, so tell me why no less than 10 minutes in, it's happening. It's literally like I'm listening to porn, which I guess I should have expected that because I've heard stuff about the show, but something about listening to it be like spoken, I guess the word is like smut, right? Hey, so that's not for me. And when the like the narrator is like saying it so passionately and whispering, I'm like, I mean, don't get me wrong, it was lovely, but I just don't think that's for me. So I'm probably not going to listen to the audiobook. I still will watch the show. Well, yes, I will watch the show. I am a visual learner, so I will be watching that eventually when I get internet in a month. Yeah. I think that's all for now. I'm going to drive home and see. I mean, I don't know how I'm going to make this interesting when I'm just like sick. And I'm like, I'm probably going to start part 2 of book 1 of Game of Thrones and play Stardew Valley or something, some kind of offline game on my Switch. Or, I should I'll download some YouTube videos as well while I'm sitting right here. Yeah. It sucks. But it's okay. I miss when I wasn't sick, as in yesterday. Damn. Alright. I've put it on. If you can hear that, it's my washing machine, sorry, but maybe this makes it so you can't hear it if it's working. I'm going to test if it's working. I don't know if I should hold it like here or here or where. I've got no idea, but I'm just going to walk down there, and if you can hear me, it's working, and obviously it's not. Cool. I didn't read the instructions, I'm just kind of winging it. Okay, obviously that's not worked, but I think it's working now, because I could see I plugged something else in, a cord, which is usually what you plug in to things. an audio cord. And I think it's working now because I could see like these audio levels going, but I can't be bothered to put my camera on the tripod, but I probably don't need to do that. I can probably just take a few steps back and do it like that. Okay. And I'll just whisper. Oh. Testing 1. Testing 1, 2. I'll clip it on. Hello. How's this? Talking. Hello. 1, 2. Psst, 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 psst. Okay. Wow, look at me go with my little clip on. Reporting live from the source. With the source. Okay. Alrighty, I'm just behind my house. And it's the afternoon, like 5 p.m. I think. And just gonna do some birding. Gonna film a video for TikTok. Bit of backyard birding. Oh. Yeah, and gonna test this out with my phone, which is fun. It's been a long day, hey, and I got 3 more of this. But that's alright. But yeah, I can see already I saw some cuckoo shrikes. I think I saw an Australasian fig bird, I'm not sure. A couple other things. But yeah, it's fun. Fun little video idea. That's a cuckoo shrike, something in its mouth. Probably couldn't hear that actually because of this. We'll see. You probably won't see any bird footage because I know that I'm not going to put it in probably. That's just how it is. If I do, well, that's amazing. That's amazing. I've got my other lens here. I'm going to switch over to that. It's just a lot to like, I don't know, I'm getting to the point where I'm frustrated about not having any I have like a little bit of reception, so I can like do stuff. It just takes a really long time and I have to be sitting outside. So like when you want to be on your phone and it's nighttime, which is like when you're mostly on your phone, it's really hard. But I ordered some outdoor lights so that I can sit outside at night time more comfortably. Yeah. It's all just a work around. It's all work in progress. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Hello. It's the next day, and I just went into town. I don't know, I just wanted to look at an op shop. I didn't get anything, and then I went to like the hardware store to see. I need something to put more weeds in, but I didn't get anything. I probably should have gotten a bucket. I don't know. I just feel so gross, and I can't make any decisions. But I get an esky for work, so that's really exciting stuff that is important to share for this video. It's Friday the 13th actually. I'm just at a lookout. Kind of just saw a sign and drove up here. It's pretty nice. No one else is here. It's my car. I'm just sitting, reading my book. I've got like 4 chapters to go. Slowly getting there. My neck hurts. And I'm sick. And I feel awful about everything. I'm happy. I just feel like I feel like helpless. I know that wind's probably bad. I forgot my microphones. I don't know, I just feel helpless with all the stuff that's going on. All I can do is just like share stuff. I don't know. So crap. And I don't know, I just feel like I just don't know how to express how I feel actually about everything. I don't know. I think it's like I really am just tired of people not caring, and then there are people like me who like do care, but it's like we're just not in a position to do anything. Like I feel like I have to make the opportunities for myself. That doesn't really make sense. But that's what I feel. No, like that is what I feel like. I feel like I'm having to like make this opportunity for myself, for me to then hopefully be able to do something in the future. But something needs to be done right now, and I'm like trying, and I don't know, all I can do is just post online, and then that doesn't always go well, so you just keep going, and you feel helpless. Yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm trying to say. I think I just feel shit because I'm really sick, and I feel like I want to do all these things, and then I'm just like, oh, I just can't. And that's fine, because there'll be another day when I'm not sick. I feel better than yesterday. I don't know. Anyways, my time will come. I can feel it. It's right around the corner. We're manifesting. It is right around the corner. For me and for you. Yeah, but it's just a bit of also just dread seeing everything going on. And then all you can do is maybe share something, but you can't do too much because all you're trying to do is get by and get through the next day and survive every week. It's like, how do we get more people to care? It's really hard to do that when they don't care in the first place and they don't want to listen. Like, it's just crazy to me that there are people that right now that are still just like, and influencers and stuff is what I mean, like mainly people that are following that are just going about it their day. They're well off. I'll just post another brand deal. Oh, that's fine, just post another brand deal. You know, like, and don't comment on anything, and don't share your views on anything. Like, I actually don't understand how you got a following when you don't actually have any morals or stand for literally anything. Like when I look for somebody to follow, I'm like, cool, they have the same morals as me, they stand for this, they care for this, they're using their platform for this. That's great. They're on the right side of history. But there are so many influencers that are just like, I think mainly on Instagram that I see, and like it's like a few, because I don't really follow any, but it's like I might know a few, and it's like if I didn't know them, I wouldn't follow them. But it's just like you just kind of look at them and you go, how did we let you get this platform when you literally just consume? They literally, all they do is consume. Like, we need to stop giving influencers who all they do is consume a platform. That's what we need to do. It's crazy. Anyways, I'm just going on a tangent, taking up too much time on my little SD card that has no space. This is a nice place. I want to come here and paint or something. It's really beautiful. Alright. Positive. Oh, and then you have all the like activists who only talk about positivity, but it's like activism is not all sunshine and rainbows. It's ugly and it's nasty and it's gritty, and you have to talk about the bad stuff if you want change. But like, they're just all like positive vibes. We can all work together, and like that's great, we can. But it's like, where do you stand? Like, call something out, stand for something. Anyways, whatever. All right.
Like, let me get into like my music bag. Was it like you were writing songs and then you were like, actually, I want to be like an artist and like start singing, or was it the combination of like, actually, I'm just going out the gate, like writing and singing?
I mean, my friends, shout out to Amber and Kaylani, honestly, they really like, before I actively made music, I would just go to the studio with them.
Yeah.
And I am so grateful that they allowed me to do that and just be like a fly on the wall. I feel like the first couple times I went to a studio,
I'm going to do some painting. So I'm going to paint. Oh, running out of battery. Whoopsie. Paint that spider. I've got all this cardboard that instead of like throwing it out, I'm just going to cut it up and use it as a canvas, because why the hell not? Like, yeah, anyway, I'm going to paint that spider on the little duva here.
Oreo! Tigers cried out. He slammed the phone down.
Spider. Jellyfish. And I'm listening to, what is it? Songbirds and Snakes, which I've seen the movie. Now I'm listening to the book. Hachi, come here. Oh. This album, this is good. This is good album. It's really raining down. What is this? These cows. Like maybe like a shot. Should get my other lens. I just wanted to show you this spider. There's a really big spider. There's that one that I showed you yesterday. Oh, why is it so dark? And then there's this one. Ooh. That's like my hand next to it. Whoa. Big mama. Why can't I fix It's like raining down. Well, like a light, constant rain. And I just don't know what to do with myself. I need to go. Oh, the wind. I need to go. Whoa, sorry, Archie. I need to go and get food for Archie. And what is going on? Oh, hello. Alright, great. I need to go and get food for Archie, and yesterday I found out that the library has free Wi-Fi, which like I should have known, which like all libraries have free Wi-Fi. And I downloaded and watched A Night of the Seven Kingdoms, all the 4 episodes that are out. So good. I'm like in my Game of Thrones lore era. I might rewatch House of the Dragon, I think. Maybe I'll go and like use the Wi-Fi to download that, to be honest. Because that's what I'm like doing my day. I just want to be inside. I'm sick, so like I don't want to be out in the rain too much. So that hopefully I can be better by Monday to go back to work. And that's that. Very exciting. So exciting. Also, yeah, I've got washing. I washed my sheets and now I don't have a way to dry them. And the dryer in town I need coins for. And I'm just like, is it even worth... Like... Oh, how do I even get coins for that? I don't even know. Like, you need the exact $3 coins. It's so stupid. So, I just don't even know what to do about that. Okay. Obviously, I need to do that, but then I just need to... Yeah. Okay, this is my situation. I got this clothing rack for $10 in an op shop, and I thought it was like one of those fold out clothing racks. It didn't really have, it just had fold out clothing rack on the label. And I thought it was like to hang your clothes out. No, it's like, I don't know, to hang your clothes in, but I can put it inside, which is actually good for my clothes and storage space. So it kind of works out, except for I needed it to dry my clothes while it's raining. But this is where we're at, drying that on a chair and a tripod. I'm going to wrap this up here. I don't know how much time I have left in space and storage. It's been raining non-stop, and I've done nothing today. I had a nap. I watched... I fell asleep during a picnic at Hanging Rock. I fell asleep, unfortunately, and I watched a couple episodes more of House of the Dragon. And I'm going to the library now to get Wi-Fi to download more stuff. So, this is what it's like right now. That's okay. It won't be like this forever. But thanks for watching. If you did watch this far through, just like leave a comment saying that you made this far through. Your interaction really means a lot. On days like this, I really wish I could stream and do stuff like that, but I can't. I won't have internet until later than mid-March, which is just shite, isn't it? So yeah, your interactions really mean a lot. I posted a reel on Instagram today that was like really scary. That was terrifying. But I did it and try not to think about it. Alright. Goodbye. Thanks.